We took out all-time lows, so Trump coin is gonna get trending. Because people can think, oh, we took out all-time lows, maybe we can trade higher from here. Or people are gonna sell their positions, of course, because they panic. But price action is gonna tell us everything if we can expect more upside from this all-time low. Of course, you can draw in a big range. A lot of trend liquidity being built up because we grind it down. And right now you have a deviation of that range low. Does that mean that we can trade higher? No, because it's at your all-time low. So things change a bit and you would have to watch locally for more. And a deviation, a first deviation, doesn't mean anything on itself. If we look at our structure on a 3-day, lower high, high low, but then we put in a lower high, broke below, making a lower low, lower high, swept this high, but from there made a new lower low again. If we look at our internal structure between this high and this low, we can see made a lower high here, lower low, lower high, and a lower low. So if you want to get bullish on your 3-day, this is gonna be your high to break. A lot of liquidity is being built up right here, so that can be interesting to target and trade higher. Let's zoom in a bit more. We had some untapped demand right here as well. Maybe we can close in this after this sweep. First rejection point, if you don't count the old lows. You can also draw this in as a box, like this. So these are the first places we can reject from on Trump to just trade lower. Or could be nice levels to gain and trade higher. Are these equal highs? No, that's a liquidity hunt. Let's zoom in a bit more. So this is your first level to reject from if price wants to go lower. And this locally is the last pullback that brought you towards a new low. So if we are not going to reject from this supply and gain this high, we expect higher lows and higher highs. So we can use this supply zone, change it into a breaker block and use it to trade higher. Then we can maybe gain this 3-day structure high, put in a new higher low and then trade higher. Where can we put in that higher low? Right now we don't have any price action to use for extreme demand of our range, but if we're gonna create a extreme demand right here on Trump, we're gonna gain this 3-day high. It can be interesting to tap into that extreme demand and target at least the trend liquidity we have right here. This is the first zone where you have to watch out for an untested supply and the end of your trend liquidity. But then your range high can be your technical target if market makers are filling up new orders on Trump. But right now, of course, it is still down until proven otherwise. Your trend is down, you made new all-time lows, so you expect more downside. So patience is key on Trump, but it can get interesting. Definitely have it on your watch list though.